Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to report a person using Instagram. So if you want to report anyone, any account, if you want to report, so you just go to your Instagram and search the person which you want to report. So I have selected one of the person, so click on the dots and click on the report button. So here you can report them, and you have to give a reason why you want to remove this, and if any violence or dangerous, you are dangerous from him, so you have to click on the reason, so just block it. Thank you so much for watching this video.